Hussain Rehar, Mosam Catalog, Lawn 2023. The code name is Arsh, and the color really according to the Arsh sky blue color. Look at the embroidery. This is the sleeves. This is the side back panels embroidery patti. This is the Daman look. The embroidered, fully embroidered trouser with a jungle theme over it, but embroidery is very lovely. The satin extra material for the designing purpose. This is the embroidered back, embroidered patti for the side slits and for the daman as well. This is the embroidered patti for the back neck and for the sleeve. Sleeve is also embroidered, but again they give the patti. And this is the embroidered back and the chiffon digital printed chiffon dupatta. And this is the overall look of the Arsh